Can you use a stroller on nice crowded subways? Are you wondering if you can navigate the bustling New York City subway system with a stroller? You are not alone. Many parents face this question when planning their trip to the city. The good news is that you can bring a stroller on the subway, but there are some important details to keep in mind. First, the Metropolitan Transportation Authority recommends folding your stroller before entering the subway car. This is especially important during busy times when space is limited. Folding your stroller on the platform before boarding helps keep the aisles clear and makes it easier for everyone to get on and off the train. Next, not all subway stations are stroller-friendly. Only about 117 stations have elevators or ramps suitable for strollers and wheelchairs. Major hubs like Times Square and Grand Central Terminal typically have elevator access, but many stations do not. This means you might need to navigate stairs, which can be tricky with a stroller. If you find yourself at a station without an elevator, carrying your stroller up or down stairs can be challenging and may not be safe, especially during peak hours when the subway is crowded. To avoid any surprises, it is a good idea to use apps or the MTA website to check the accessibility of your route and the status of elevators before you travel. While the MTA's official guidance states that strollers should be folded when entering the subway, enforcement can vary. In less crowded trains, some parents choose to keep their strollers unfolded. However, this can create problems in busy cars or during rush hours. If you are considering bus travel in New York City, keep in mind that strollers also need to be folded on buses. However, there is some debate about how strictly this rule is enforced, as some passengers manage to bring larger items on board without folding them. In summary, using a stroller on New York City subways is possible, but it requires you to fold the stroller before boarding, choose accessible stations with elevators, and be ready for crowded conditions that may complicate your journey. Planning ahead and knowing which stations are stroller-friendly will make traveling with kids in the subway much easier.